Almonds are a nutritious nut that offers a wide range of health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of consuming almonds. 1. Nutrient-rich. Almonds are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin E, magnesium, fiber, protein, and healthy fats. They are also a good source of antioxidants. 2. Heart health. Regular consumption of almonds has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. The monounsaturated fats, fiber, and antioxidants in almonds can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve overall heart health. 3. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, almonds can be a helpful snack for weight management. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in almonds can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. 4. Blood sugar control. Almonds have a low glycemic index, which means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This can be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 5. Bone health. Almonds are a good source of magnesium, which is important for bone health. Adequate magnesium intake can help maintain strong bones and may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 6. Skin health. The vitamin E and antioxidants in almonds can contribute to healthier skin by protecting it from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Almond oil is also used in skincare products for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. 7. Digestive health. Almonds are a good source of dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote regular bowel movements. Fiber also helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome. 8. Brain health. Almonds contain nutrients like riboflavin and L-carnitine, which are believed to support brain function and may help improve cognitive abilities. 9. Reduced hunger and snacking. Snacking on almonds can help curb hunger and reduce the likelihood of unhealthy snacking between meals. The combination of protein and fiber in almonds contributes to this satiety effect. 10. Antioxidant properties. Almonds contain antioxidants like vitamin E and flavonoids that help protect cells from oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's important to note that while almonds offer numerous health benefits, they are also calorie-dense. Therefore, it's advisable to consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet to reap their advantages without overdoing calorie intake. Additionally, if you have allergies or specific dietary concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before adding almonds or any other new food to your diet.